Hey Richard, Simone here, shooting you the quick video I said I would to go over what we talked about last night. Here I have pulled up your website. Yay to getting it back online. That's awesome. And also, this looks really good at first glance. Like you have a quick way to get in touch with you. You have a just quick, brief description and links to get to your subpages of your services. You have a brief description of how much experience you have. You have your testimonials. That's great. So what I'm going to review you in is your content, your citations, and your backlinks. Okay, so the first thing is content. Google prioritizes and ranks highly websites that have 1,500 to 2,000 words. I did a quick count, and your homepage has about 300 to 350 words. Okay, so you want to get up to that 1,500, 2,000 range, and you want to add in keywords for every 150 words that are on here. Okay, so that's a big first thing to tackle. Secondly, are citations. So citations are your business listed in directories online, right? Yellow Pages, White Pages, Yext, Yelp is a directory. And that's how you get in what's called the map pack, which is this thing right here. So in order to beat out competition, you just simply need to know how many citations your competitors have and do more. They're not hard to do, they're just time consuming. I have tech software that I can see how many citations your competitor has, but it's also really easy to beat out anyone by getting 200 to 300 citations, because that will easily put you above what all your competition has and get you ranked up in this map pack. Okay, and then lastly are backlinks. And backlinks are super important for this organic listing, these organic ranking, which is these other results below this map pack. First you got your ads, and then you have your map pack, and then you have organic listings and rankings. So backlinks, let's pull up. I have a tool I use called SEMrush to analyze competitors and clients' SEO performance, right? So I did a quick search and pulled up, a keyword for your niche market, roofing repair, Indianapolis. Somebody that came up as the top competitors, Stay Dry Roofing. Okay, so I pulled them up here in SEMrush, and backlinks, you can see how many they have. That directly impacts their authority score. So a backlink is site A pointing back to site B, which is your site, saying like, hey, this guy's the authority on this. Okay, and the important thing with backlinks is that they are not all created equal. It is quality over quantity. So you want to get those real strong backlinks. We call them link juice, which we have access to, and that will up your authority score, because you don't necessarily need 77,000 backlinks if you have topically relevant sites pointing back to you as the authority, right? So you don't want to have Pizza Hut being like, Richard's got the best roofing repair skills out in Indiana, because pizza is not the market that you're in. You would want it to be roofing supplies or something, again, topically relevant. And that would increase your authority in Google's eyes and get you ranked on this first page of organic listings. So that is a quick explanation of everything, well, hopefully quick explanation of everything we went over yesterday, but including the visuals, which I think make everything so much more helpful. So in a quick review, let's go over what I discussed. You want your content to be on point, meaning your front page needs to have at least 1,500 words with a keyword every 150 words. You want citations. 200 to 300 will beat out your competition by a landslide. And you want those backlinks, specifically the topically relevant ones that will show Google you're the authority on roofing repair, windows, and siding, and everything else you provide. So you can be number one on Google by implementing these strategies. You can take them on yourself, or I know you're a really busy man, as you shared with me last night, so we can work together and I can do it for you. Again, my name is Simone, and my number is on the screen here, so I'm hoping that you reach out if you're interested, and we can work together to get you up there.